from that exercise has contributed to where the Philippine Navy is now. Commodore Nobal's descendants are with us to celebrate this occasion. Ma'am, please stand as I call your name. Ma'am, sirs, let us welcome the daughter of Commodore Nobal, Ms. Doris Nobal. Another daughter is Ms. Florian Nobal Naquinto and Ms. Brenda Nobal Matcott. Ang granddaughter, sir, Ms. Gloria Nobal Arroyo. Son-in-law, Paul Matcott. Granddaughter, Marigold Arroyo. Patrick Nikito. Nicole Nikito. Caroline Nobal. James Samuel Nobal. Juan Gregorio Arroyo. Jennifer Rockwell. And Noel Pia Niquinto. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. I hope that naming the new barracks facilities after Commodore Nobal is enough to honor the courage and respect the legacy of your descendant. And last but not the least, as I vacate my post as a 23rd Commander, HPN and HSG, I want to take this opportunity to celebrate this important milestone in my career with the people who have helped me in this position.